In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Steam Remote Play here on your Steam Deck so that you could stream games directly from your PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to have to enable Remote Play on your PC itself. We have a full guide breaking this down, but to shorten it a little bit, you just open up Steam on your gaming PC, hit Steam up in the top left corner, then hit Settings, and then choose Remote Play and just make sure it's toggled on. And then under there in the computers and devices section, you should see your Steam Deck listed as long as it's powered on and connected to the exact same internet. From here though, go ahead and go into your advanced streaming options, and if you have a fast PC and strong internet, you can increase these settings. If you have slower hardware or slower Wi-Fi, lower these settings for smoother performance. But on the Steam Deck itself, hit the Steam button, and once you do that, you're going to want to go down to settings and go ahead and open that up and scroll all the way down, and you're going to see a remote play option down towards the very bottom. Make sure that this is toggled on, which mine is already toggled on, and then you should see your PC listed under this computers and devices section right here. If you don't see it, hit pair Steam link and go through the process just like so. But from here, just hit the Steam button again, and this time go into your library, and all you got to do is look for the small drop down arrow next to play or install and select stream instead. And then the first time that you do use remote play, you're going to see an authorized device pop up. Check your PC for a 4-digit code, enter in that code on your Steam Deck, and you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.